Primetime news this evening. Recommendation stands. Prime Minister dismisses opposition comments about extending DPP's tenure.
Acquitted gang members freed of charges.
And bad cop, JCF member found with gunmen and illegal guns in Clarendon, now under investigation. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you believe enough is being done to prevent a second wave of the coronavirus? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.